Welcome to Software Testing Lessons Part 7. In the previous lessons, we learned about different levels of testing and their subcategories. Today, we are going to learn about other major testing types and some important terminologies that you will often hear about. Let's start with regression testing. Regression testing is a system-level testing that is done to ensure that new code has not introduced any issues with existing functionality. For example, say you have an e-commerce website and now you are adding a new checkout flow to it. Before you release this new feature, you want to make sure that this new feature code has not messed up any existing checkout flows. So you are going to test all the existing checkout functionalities, and this is simply the concept of regression testing. Next, we have smoke test. These tests are the subset of acceptance test that only includes the business critical use cases. For example, testing for login for a web application. It's a critical use case because if you can't even log into a system, then no other functionality can be accessed. Sanity testing. Sanity testing focuses on the new development. It could be a bug fix or a new feature. Black box testing. Black box testing is a testing method that does not consider the internal structure and design of a software. Just like a black box, the tester does not know what is inside, but it knows what output is expected. An example of black box testing is acceptance testing. In acceptance testing, you know what you are expecting, but you don't care about the internal implementation of that system. White box testing. White box testing is testing method that takes into consideration the internal functioning of code and design. The best example of white box testing is unit testing. I hope these simple definitions have helped you understand different testing types and their use. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.